Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the EcoStruxure Machine Expert HVAC. I'm your host, Leandro Mala, and in this video what we're gonna see are the breakpoints features that we have in the software. So let's go to the presentation. So what is a breakpoint? So basically a breakpoint allows us to stop the execution of the program in a specific point that we want. That's the idea of the breakpoint. One of the things we need to advise is that if you are working on a real machine, you need to be very careful, okay, to use a break, because just stop the program and then oops. Once we activate the breakpoint and the code runs over the breakpoint, it just holds the PLC, and you will see this message over here. Now, in order to use the breakpoint, we need to activate the window. By default, it's always activated, which is a debug. And these are the commands that we can use on the breakpoints. So, what it does. This breakpoint list basically shows us all the breakpoints that we have used. And here you can open and go to the breakpoint that you want. Remove and remove all. Usually I don't use the remove all, this one. I use this over here. I just have a much better behavior with this. And then this one is to set or remove an existing breakpoint where we are the code, and we can use the F12 to toggle this. Then once we are in the breakpoint and the PLC is stopped in that breakpoint, we have different options to keep running this. We have run, so you would run until the next breakpoint, or we can use this one. It's just going through the steps in each part of that specific PUU. It's just stopping there. Okay, but as I was able to see this and play with this, it doesn't go a complete step by step during your whole program. It just make the breakpoint and just cover that specific PUU. If you have 3 PUUs and you have the breakpoint on the second one, and it is stop in the second one line, you just run step by step. But once it reaches the 3, it will execute everything until you go to the 2 again on the breakpoint line. So that would be the difference here. And this is how you can see different behaviors. So if you are in ladder, you should be able to see this this color and this cycle, meaning that you have the breakpoint, and it means that it is stopping there. Okay, the same can be seen on the FPD. So you put the breakpoint, it shouldn't be in this red cycle, but when it's green, it means that it's stopping there. You have different visualization on the structured text because you have the red cycle, but when the program is stopping that specific line, you should be able to see that yellow arrow over there. Okay, otherwise you can see this cycle. So data behavior. So it's very straightforward, and it's essential to know this in order for troubleshooting. So let's connect to this. This is going to be the real PLC. I'm connected with, you can see the data. So let's say that I'm using this. I'm going to put the breakpoint. As you can see here, the PLC is stopping this position. Okay, so now what we can do is to execute again this one, and it will count 1 less. Okay, and again it just execute the code until it reaches the point. Now if I use this one, the step, it just go to the next line, which is the comparison, and then it will go to this position, and it keeps going down, 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 down until it reaches the top again, and it counts back. And then I can remove the breakpoints, and that's it. So this is how it works. It's very simple, just to know the step by step. Okay, so remember to be in the position in the line that you want, select set, and then run in every cycle. And this one to go step by step on the execution of the code in that specific period. So that's important. In ladder, it's gonna be the similar, just select the line that you want, put the breakpoint, and you can see it's halted. And then you just run again, but it would just run again over here. Then just remove it, and that's it. Just keep working on it. So as you can see, it's very simple, very straightforward, and it's very important that you to check it. Okay, and the reason of this check behavior of the task is to show you that it just keep running, even if it doesn't keep running the other background. Let's see if I can connect. Time. Hold it, and it just doesn't change. It just stop the PLC all the different tasks. That is what I wanted to show you. So that's basically that, because we have the PLC that you can create different tasks and it will stop that particular task. But that's it. So this is how you can use the breakpoint, which is a great tool for debugging that we have in the software. So this is it for the moment. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.